video I'm going to show you 5 super easy hairstyle for short hair. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to make a front poof with side braids. So for that, what you have to do is you just need to concentrate the section of your hair from the arch of your eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this section and I'm going to comb it like this. I'm going to push this a little and just pin it with a tic tac pin. Then you need to take a section of the hair from both the sides like this and you need to braid this. This hairstyle can be done on long hair too, but I think this will be very easy for short hair people. So just doing this and just leave this. Don't tie it with a rubber band or anything, just leave this. And do the same on this side too. Next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a side partition like this. I'm going to do a side poof. So for that, you need to take hair from here, same like the previous one, near your arch of your eyebrows. So you just need to take and twist this hair twice and you need to gently push this on front. Okay, can you see the poof? Twist and push. Then with a tic tac pen, you need to clip this one. So this will be the second hairdo. This is very simple. You can wear this with any outfit. So this is the second hairdo. If you want, you can also use clips like this to decorate your hair. So remove this tic tac pen and you can use this clip. And for the next one, I'm going to make side poof with braids. So for that, you need to do the same like the previous one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of hair from here and I'm going to twist it like this. Then I'm going to take a section from here and cross it with the previous section and I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to do the same, taking a section and twisting it. So I'm doing this. And I'm going to clip it with a tic tac pen. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to take a section of hair from here. I'm going to twist it. I'm going to take a few more sections and twist it. You need not to be very perfect with this. You can just randomly take a section and you can just twist it. So this is the third hairstyle. And for the next hairstyle, I'm going to change my partition. So I'm going to brush my hair. By the way, this comb is from Roots. This is called water brush. This This is very nice. This is very gentle on the scalp, guys. So please do check the reviews and buy. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to keep it very simple. So I'm going to take a section of hair from here and I'm going to braid it. Loosen this side and then I'm going to place this over here and I'm going to pin it with a tic tac pin. Then I'm going to do the same, taking this section, I'm going to braid it. I'm going to place this braid like this and pin it with a tic tac pin. I'm going to leave this side as it is. And for the last one, I'm going to make a straight partition. So for that, I'm going to comb my hair and I'm going to make a straight partition like this. And I'm going to take a section of hair from here and I'm going to take another section from here and another section from here. I'm going to start braiding these three. So braid these three sections. Braid it till the end. Then I'm going to take a section of hair from this side, from here, and I'm going to twist this with this braid. I'm going to clip it with a tic tac. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Make sure you do a crisscross on the back side. So this is the last and final one. These hairstyles can be done on any type of hair, that is straight hair or a curly hair. So no matter what, you can do this, and with any type of length you can do this. And this looks very good on short hair. And that's it, guys. I hope you all like this video, and please let me know which is your favorite hairstyle among these, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.